Hi, this is a new series of Dividend portfolio aiming $250K. Hi, let's see current portfolio. This week there was not much activity. Default $11 activity only was done. So current portfolio it's 1187. Overall gain it is $21, 2.57 return. So based on the earned dividends. Last week market went up on Friday. So the gain is 1.22%. We didn't receive any dividends last week. Let's go to the activity for last week. We received a dividend from QYLD 6.41. They reduced the dividend per share for this month compared to last month. So our dividend per month would be less. The regular $11 deposit on Thursday. Thursday itself we did the morning trading. We have two buys. So one is Costco with our QALD dividend and the 2 cents that Costco paid 6.43. We bought Costco. Jeppy we bought for our Thursday $11, 10.98 to be exact. Let's see our portfolio slices. Costco membership, the current value is 655. It's on a gain of 4.24. If you go inside Costco membership, we have Costco right now $18 worth. Previously it was around $12. We have a share of 0.03912. Average share price is 488. So it's on a loss. QLD there is no change. We didn't buy after we received our financial independence for Costco membership. Car wash, we have only one slice Jeppy. Everything is on Jeppy. $531 worth of Jeppy. It's on a loss, 1.39% loss. Our average share price is 54. Having a share number of shares is 9.83. Currently Jeppy is on 54.03. Now we will see our dividend Excel. Our current monthly dividend is 10.79. Annual dividend is 129.36. Yield on cost is 11.09. So the two trades, Jeppy it increased to 9.83 number of shares. Costco it increased to 0.03. Currently monthly dividend is 10.79. Let's calculate the fire date. So fire date reduced to 2 days. It was previously 23311123. Now it is 21. Financial independent age still it is 347, and my earnings at that time will be 5 million. Dividend per month would be 5 million. No notable milestones this week. Let's see the milestones achieved so far. That's it for the week. We'll see by the next week.